Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we are going to talk about how to remove Microsoft Edge as default browser and switch to the browser you actually prefer. This video will quickly guide you through the exact steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Type Settings and click on the Settings app from the Start menu. Step 3. Once the Settings window opens, click on Apps. This section manages installed applications, default apps, and optional features, making it important for browser changes. Step 4. Select Default Apps from the left side menu. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Web Browser section. Step 6. Click on Microsoft Edge, shown as the default browser. This action opens a list of all browsers installed on your computer. Step 7. Choose your preferred browser from the list. Selecting it tells Windows to open all web links using that browser instead of Microsoft Edge. Step 8. Close the Settings app to apply the changes. Once closed, your new default browser will be active automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful guides.